In this tutorial, we will show you how you can use multiple search boxes to build your search in the Library Catalog's Advanced Search screen. I'm starting at the Thompson Library's homepage, and I'm going to click on the Library Catalog tab on the search box, and then click on the Advanced Search link listed there. On the Advanced Search screen, there are already 3 fields and search boxes set up to help you combine your search terms. So they are all fields, title, and author, but there are other things you can choose. So if you wanted to narrow your search and make sure that the title starts with the words that you put in, you could look for a particular journal. You could also even look for an ISBN number if you want a particular book. But for right now, I'm actually going to look for a book about Shakespeare. So I don't care if it's in the title or if it's a subject term at this point. And I've also heard that Stephen Greenblatt is a renowned Shakespeare scholar. So I want to see if the library has anything published by him about Shakespeare. Notice that these boxes are using the standard database operators and or not. So if I needed to change things around, I could do that as well. And I'm going to stay with the search and just click the Advanced Search button. On the results screen, I've got 5 results, and they should all be about Shakespeare, and they should all have Greenblatt or someone named Greenblatt as the main author or a contributing author. And in this case, it looks like they are all by Stephen Greenblatt. It's a fairly unique name, so keep that in mind. If you have an author with a more common name like Wong, Park, Smith, Johnson, something like that, you may want to include a first name and not just the last name as well. So something to think about. Let's try another search. Back on the Advanced Search screen, I'm going to input the title Human Anatomy and Physiology, as well as an author. So I'm actually looking for a textbook. I'm taking an anatomy class, and I want to see if the library has my textbook either in the edition that I need or a more recent edition. So what I can do in addition to putting that title and author in there is I can scroll down to the date of publication and change this so that I am looking only at books that are more recently published. So I've changed it to looking for books that have been published after 2010. Once I click on the Advanced Search screen and I'm on the results page, I can see that I have 2 results. Each of them are matching both the title as well as the author. So I've got the textbook as well as the laboratory manual. I can see that there are multiple copies of this textbook, but it's always important to double check the location. So this is the off-site shelving location, that's in Ann Arbor. This is the Young Flint Reserve reading, so it's on course reserve right now. So not only check those locations, but also the status. So you'll see that one of them is currently checked out and the other one is available on the shelf. So again, remember to pay attention to these things because it might affect your ability to get the book in a timely manner. All right. If you have any questions or need help with your research, please contact a librarian, and thank you for watching.